Since the death of Microsoft Paint, I thought I'd share a couple of tricks with you so that you can create your own Paint program and make it webified. So right here, I'm inside of JS Fiddle. I just have a quick React project set up here. And right now, the first thing we're going to do is to create a canvas inside the JSX render function here. So just go ahead and create a canvas. And let's reference this with a name. Just going to name it canvas. Give it a width and a height, like that. And then go ahead and do the component did mount implementation. And inside of here, we want to extract the context. So first, const canvas is equal to this.refs.canvas. Extract the context by simply typing canvas.getContext. And oops, we want to get the 2D context out of here. Next off, we need some listeners to this canvas because we're going to actually press down our mouse button in order to draw anything. So canvas.add event listener. And we're going to first listen to the mouse down event because we actually have to keep track on when the mouse is actually down here. So let mouse down. It's going to be false as default. And then when the mouse is actually being pressed down, we want to assign this and set it to true. And we want to do the exact same thing for the mouse up event, but vice versa here. So there we go. And the final thing we need is a mouse move listener. And we're actually interested in the event because we want the coordinates of the mouse during the event. But before we do that, we actually have to begin a path that we can draw on. So first we're going to call inside the mouse down function here, we're going to call begin path, like that. Then inside of here, we must first check if the mouse is actually being pressed down. And if it is, we can do context.line2. And we're going to draw a line to the e.client_x and e.client_y. Perfect. And then we want to stroke it as well. So context.stroke. And just to make it a bit clearer here, what we're actually doing, we can increase the line width a bit. Let's set it to like 4. And I think that's actually everything we need. So if I just go ahead and run this now, and I try to paint, you can see we have a beautiful Picasso painting here. And you can extend this and do whatever you want. But this was just a little quick tip on how you can create your own painting program. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.